Hello, everyone. Today I'm sharing with you Outsourcing Event Poster Design, how to create a more impactful poster without feeling cluttered. This is a common dilemma many businesses face when their promotional period approaches and they're repeatedly revising their posters, because the reality is often not impactful enough. Want to add more? Adding more, it becomes cluttered. The more you fear it won't be impactful enough, the more you pile it up. Ultimately, it becomes lots of information, but it's impossible to grasp it at a glance. You might instinctively blame the designer. Isn't it impactful enough? But the truth is, impact and clutter often differ only in the order of judgment. Conclusion. Impact isn't added, it's created through contrast. The root cause of many failed event posters lies in a misconception: believing impact, many elements, plus heavy colors, plus large font size, but truly effective impact comes from three things: very few key elements, extremely strong contrast. Everything else recedes. If everything is vying for attention, it's equivalent to having no focus. 2. Why are event posters so prone to becoming increasingly chaotic? Because event requirements are inherently greedy. Common situations include highlighting the event name, including promotional information, including brand exposure, including time and rules. But the problem is, a poster isn't an instruction manual, it's a first-glance judgment tool. 3. The true task of an event poster is singular. Regardless of the platform or event type, the primary task of an event poster is always to let people know at a glance. Is it worth looking at, clicking, participating now? Note that this is about judgment, not understanding all the details. 3 core principles for creating impact without chaos. Principle 1. Only one main anchor point. An event poster can only have one absolute protagonist. It could be a price, a benefit, a behavioral instruction, but only one. Once the main anchor point is clear, other information automatically becomes less important. Principle 2. Amplify impact with white space, not by piling it. In truly impactful posters often share a common characteristic. They dare to leave space. White space is not wasteful. It creates a stage for the key point. Without space, there is no impact. Principle 3. Information hierarchy, not parallelism. The information in an event poster must have a clear hierarchy. What you see at first glance, what you supplement at second glance, what you see only at third glance. If all the information is at first glance, the user's brain will immediately abandon it. Impact comes from clear hierarchy, not intensity. 4 Common pitfalls in outsourcing. Event posters. Pitfall 1. Cramming details from the product page into the poster event rules. Instructions for use restrictions. These shouldn't appear on the first screen. Pitfall 2. Using color to create impact, not contrast. Red plus, yellow plus, purple gradient, plus, outline, plus, shadow. The more colors, the lower the impact. Pitfall 3. Headlines and benefits. Overshadow each other, big event name. Big discounts users don't know which to look at. Pitfall 4. Rethinking everything, for every event. Changing the style every time. Starting over every time. Looks like a lot of effort, but it will become increasingly chaotic in the long run. 6. How to clearly communicate, impactful but not chaotic. When outsourcing, here's how you can directly state your requirements. This poster should highlight only one core point. All other information should be downplayed. Less is more. If you're adding content, tell me first what it will cut. These few sentences will directly change the outsourcing design strategy. 7. A safe and flawless method for judging an event poster. After the design draft is complete, you can do a simple test. Shrink the poster to 1/3 the size of your phone. Quickly look at it for 1 second. Ask yourself, what did I remember at first glance? If the answer is clear, then this poster is likely acceptable. If what you remember is a lot of things, then it's definitely not good enough. A piece of truth for those who frequently revise event posters. The worst thing about event posters isn't that they're not colorful enough. It's that you can't bear to delete anything. When you're willing to prioritize a single focus and proactively discard other information, the impact will naturally emerge. In short, when outsourcing event poster design to achieve greater impact without creating chaos, the key isn't what to add. It's, first, define a single key point, then, create contrasts, finally, rigorously cut back. When the poster begins to serve a single judgment, rather than trying to explain everything, the impact will naturally become clean, powerful, and controllable.